Hi everyone, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Richardt from Unikitty. So let's grab our pencils and let's begin. I'm going to start with the cheek. So I'm just going to make a little line with a curve. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to draw his mouth. And we're going to draw a little mouth like this. And then right here, we're going to draw some teeth. So you're just going to draw a line through, and then behind that, we can draw Richard's tongue. Good. Now, on the sides, we're going to draw eyes. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start roughly about here, and I'm going to bring a line down, maybe like this. And then we'll go and make it better. And on this side, we'll do the same thing here as well. So a little bit of a longer line and a shorter line there. And then we're going to go down. We're going to draw an eye there. And right here, I'm going to draw a little bit of a bigger eye as well. And then on this side, so Richardt is looking to this side. So I'm just going to draw his pupil. And then on this side, I'm going to do the same thing as well. And then of course, I'm just going to draw a big light reflection here, and I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Now right above, we're going to draw an eyebrow. So I'm just going to make a quick little line like this, and on this side, I'm going to do the same thing as well, like that. So that would be my eyebrows. And now I'm going to come to the side here, and I'm going to make it close to his eye, and I'm just going to bring a line down. I don't care how big, just a rough line. And on this one, maybe here, I'm going to draw another line. Now we're going to draw in perspective. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger. So as you can see, I bring my line a bit down, and here I'm going to bring it a little bit up. So you see there's perspective there. And then on this side, I'm just going to draw another line, just fast. And then you're going to bring a line down, and this one, I think bring it in like this as well. There we go. So there we have the side of Richardt, and then of course above his head, I'm just going to draw these 3 buttons, because Richardt is a Lego block. There we go. There's one, and then of course here we can draw another one. Now we're going to take our Sharpie, we're going to go over the lines, and we're going to make some corrections if we see something we don't like. I'm going to start with Richard's eyes first. I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to draw the top of the eye down, and on this side I'm going to draw the other eye down as well. I'm just going to change it a little bit, and then the bottom, and then right here we can do the bottom as well. Now we can go to the pupil. Now what I'm going to do, here is the light reflection. So I'm going to draw a C, and then from there I'm going to bring the eye out. I'm going to draw a C again, and then I'm just going to bring it out like this. Then right above the eyebrow, there we go. And we can fill the eyebrow in. Let's do the other one as well. And there we go. And I'll fill it in as well. Good. Now for the pupils, I'm going to fill them in. Now I'm going to draw Richard's cheek. Now I'm going to make it a bit smaller, because I made it quite big, maybe like this about. And then of course, I'm going to draw his mouth. I'm going to draw the mouth a little bit bigger, because I want the teeth a little bit bigger. There we go. And then of course, we're going to draw Richard's tongue right there. Now I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to do the side of Richard's body. I'm going to take this top line, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to start with the side, I'm going to bring this one a little bit up, bring it up, and connect it. There we go. And then on this side, there's the side of Richardt as well. Now what I can do, I can maybe bring a little line underneath and just give it a bit of a three-dimensional shape, and then right above we're going to do the 3 buttons. I make it a bit round on top. This one I'm going to do the same, and I'm going to make this one longer because it's closer to us, and this one I'm going to make a bit shorter. And there we go, and there's Richardt. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.